How to trim a video in Reelshot. Trimming a video in Reelshot allows you to cut out the unwanted beginnings or ends, making your clips impactful. This guide will show you how to precisely trim your footage. In your open Reelshot project, tap on the video clip that you wish to trim within the timeline. This will usually highlight the clip and bring up editing options. Look for the trim icon in the editing toolbar, usually at the bottom of the screen. It often looks like a pair of scissors or a bracket symbol. Tap on it. We have the scissor symbol. You'll see the selected video clip with the draggable handles at its start and end points. Drag these handles inwards from either side to remove the unwanted portions, just like this. As you drag, the preview will update. Once satisfied, tap on Done or Apply to confirm your trim. Your video is now perfectly concise. You've successfully trimmed a video in Reelshot. Keep your content sharp. Like and subscribe for more Reelshot precision editing tips.